Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Dynamic Tech. Guys, today I have got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 side by side with the S9 Plus, and today we are gonna do some speed test on both of these smartphones, and we are gonna find out that which one of the smartphone is going to work faster than the other one. But before going to that, let me just tell you about some specification about both of these smartphones. So guys, the RAM installed on both of these smartphones is actually the same, 6 GB for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and 6 GB for Galaxy Note 8. Moving on towards the chipset, so the chipset on the Note 8 is Exynos 8895 with a 10nm architecture, while on the other hand the chipset on the S9 Plus is Exynos 9810 with a 10nm architecture. If I talk about the battery, so the battery is higher on the S9 Plus with a 3500 mAh battery, and a smaller battery, a little bit smaller battery on the Note 8, that is 3300 mAh. So guys, right now both of the smartphones are off, so I'm gonna turn on both of the smartphone in exactly 3, 2 and 1, and we are gonna find out that which one of the smartphone is going to edge out on the other one. As you saw here that the logo on the S9 Plus appeared first. Guys, for all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel for upcoming updates regarding smartphone comparisons, unboxing, video comparisons and much more. As you saw here that the Galaxy S9 Plus actually won the boot up test, so the boot up winner is S9 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8 was left behind. Guys, I have already set up some application right here, and I'm going to click on each of these application one by one, and we are gonna find out the response from both of the smartphones. Let me just set the camera over here for you guys so you can see it better. So guys, we are here and I'm gonna start with the pinout. That would be the first application. Let me tell you again that on my left hand I have got the Galaxy Note 8, while on my right hand I have got the S9 Plus. So pinout, and we are gonna see, yes, and we have a winner here, and that is obviously the S9 Plus, and the Note 8 was once again left behind. Moving on towards that, let's see what is going to happen here. Yes, we have a winner, and that is the Galaxy Note 8. Galaxy Note 8 once again back in the race. Guys, let me show you that on the background we have got nothing except the two applications that we had just started. So now moving on towards the Temple Run 2, and that would be right now. And let's see which one of the phone is going to edge out on the other one. Loading in phase, and yes, we have a winner here, and that is of course the S9 Plus. It is quite amazing that with the same gigabytes of RAM, the S9 Plus is performing quite well. Now moving on towards Flipkart, and let's see what is going to happen here. Yes, we have a winner here, and that is the Galaxy Note 8. So once again the Galaxy Note 8 is back in the race. Now moving on towards the another application, that would be Smash Hit, and let's see. Yes, once again the S9 Plus has won the race. So till now most of the test has been won by the S9 Plus, while the Note 8 is leading with only one test. So Netflix, let's see what happens here. Yes, the Note 8, so 2 for the Note 8 in all of the tests. 2 of the win goes to the Note 8 till now, but still we are remaining with a number of application and some heavier application coming up forward. Coin Master, let's see what is going to. Yes, we have, though the difference was very slight, but still the Note 8 has won this test once again. Now moving on towards Amazon, let's see who's gonna edge out here on the other one. Guys, gaming is where you need high performance. Yes, we have winner here, that is S9 Plus. So if you are a game lover, so you should obviously go for that one phone which is going to provide higher performance for you in gaming. SoundCloud, let's see. Yes, we have winner, and that is Note 8. Though it is a very lighter application, now we are left with 2 applications, that is the Angry Bird and Subway Surf, and then we are gonna move on towards the internet speed connection test. So Subway Surf, let's see. into the loading phase. Note it's still lagging behind. This is quite disappointing from the Galaxy Note 8 that with a similar gigabytes of RAM, it is performing quite poor than the S9 Plus. So that would be the last application, that is Angry Bird, and then we are gonna move on towards the internet speed connection tests. So guys, the S9 Plus into the loading phase, and as you can see, well, that is quite shocking here from the Note 8. I guess the Note 8 is gonna win this test and gonna edge out because it appeared faster and it was faster in the startup mode. Now both of the smartphones are at the same time in the logging in phase, so let us see. Yes, once again the S9 Plus has won. There is tremendous performance from the S9 Plus. As you can see here that the game application, the thumbnails came up first on the Galaxy Note 8, but still it was left behind by the Samsung Galaxy S9. Super performance from the Samsung Galaxy S9. Guys, let me just set up Chrome and we are gonna open some web pages here. Let me just open Wikipedia and let's see. Yes, the Note 8 is the winner in the internet speed, but still moving on towards, let me just open YouTube. Exactly at the same time, the difference was not noticeable to the naked eye. So moving on towards, let me open the ESPN cricket info. Let us see what is going to happen here. Yes, we have a winner, and that is the Galaxy S9 Plus. So guys, on almost all of the tests we have, the win goes to the S9 Plus because the S9 Plus has performed quite very well as compared to the Note 8. So guys, if you have the S9 Plus and you are moving towards the Note 8, so just drop that top thought below and skip on it and stick to your S9 Plus for I guess for a whole upcoming year, because as you saw here in the video that the S9 Plus performed very well as compared to the Note 8. Thank you for watching this video. Drop us below a comment that what you think of these two smartphones and keep supporting us.